Hey, welcome back to the Naples Area Real Estate Channel, where I'm your host, Rob Wozner. And on today's episode of Community Spotlight, we're featuring Bella Terra in Estero, Florida. Designed by Lennar, this gated community in Estero, Florida takes luxurious southern living to a whole new level. From the moment you pass the clock tower and central fountain at the incredible gated entrance, you feel as though you've entered into a lavish Italian resort. Beautiful homes featuring charming tiled roofs, 2 to 3 car garages line this beautiful area. There are 100 acres of tranquil lakes and 400 acres of conservation preserves. Rolling lands give residents the sense of seclusion, yet the community's very close proximity to a multitude of shopping, dining, and entertaining options. Bella Terra has earned the title of multi-generational community because of its range of activities and interests suited to appeal to every age group, including its zero-entry resort-style pool featuring a waterfall, spa, and kiddie area, children's playground, 4 championship tennis courts, 6 brand new pickleball courts, including its own Bella Terra League, sand volleyball courts, baseball field, and huge soccer area, recreational area, including multiple basketball courts, a hockey rink for roller hockey, Bella Terra of Estero truly is a one-of-a-kind neighborhood. Come see what all the buzz is about. Once you spend some time checking out this little slice of heaven, you may never want to leave.